Welcome to Fluent English, where you learn to speak English fast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Luna and Leo.
Hi, friends. Hello to all our friends around the world.
Maybe you are at home feeling unwell. Maybe you are preparing for travel or just learning.
Wherever you are, we are happy you are here with us today.
So, Leo, how is your health today?
I'm feeling much better today, thank you. Yesterday, I had a small headache.
Oh, did you visit a pharmacy?
Yes, I did. It was a simple conversation.
That's good. Pharmacy conversations can feel scary in another language.
But today, we make them simple.
Today, we focus on one specific situation.
Yes, talking at the pharmacy about taking medicine.
Many learners worry about dosage, about timing, about instructions.
What if I say it wrong? What if I don't understand?
Don't worry. Today, we learn simple phrases.
Phrases that work in any pharmacy.
If you find this useful, please like this video
Share with friends who travel or live abroad.
and subscribe for more practical English.
All right, let's learn pharmacy medicine dialogues.
Before we learn phrases, let's understand the core idea.
When talking about medicine at the pharmacy,
You don't need medical expertise.
you need 3 simple pieces of information.
So simply ask about what, when, and how.
What medicine, when to take it, how to take it.
That's all. 3 simple questions.
What, when, how.
Everything else the pharmacist understands. Let me say it again.
Focus on what medicine, when, how.
3 words. What, when, how.
Simple questions, clear answers.
No medical degree needed. Let's start with asking for medicine.
You enter the pharmacy and need something.
First, describe your symptom simply.
For example, I have a headache.
Or, my throat is sore.
The pharmacist understands and suggests medicine.
Now, the important part, asking questions.
Use our 3 words, what, when, how,
Example, what is this medicine called?
or when should I take this?
Or, how many should I take?
All simple, clear questions.
More examples of asking.
Can I take this with food?
Is this for adults or children?
How often should I take it?
All follow our 3-word pattern. So remember, when asking for medicine,
Describe symptom, then ask what, when, how.
the pharmacist will help you.
They do this every day.
Let's pause and review.
We learned the core idea.
3 words. What, when, how.
What medicine, when to take, how to take.
These 3 questions cover most situations.
Simple, practical, effective.
Now let's learn about understanding instructions.
Now the pharmacist gives you instructions.
This can be confusing if English is not your first language.
But there are key phrases to listen for.
First, dosage instructions.
Take 2 tablets means eat 2 pills.
3 times a day means morning, afternoon, evening.
With meals means while eating food.
More instruction phrases.
Once a day means one time each day.
Every 4 hours means wait 4 hours between doses.
Before bedtime means before sleeping.
On an empty stomach means before eating.
What if you don't understand?
You can ask for clarification.
Can you repeat that slowly, please?
Or, can you write it down?
Or, do you have instructions in my language?
Pharmacists want you to understand.
Remember, when getting instructions, listen for how many, how often, when.
Ask for repetition if needed. Safety is most important. Now let's talk about common confusions.
This happens to everyone, even native speakers.
First confusion is tablet versus pill versus capsule.
In pharmacy English, they are often the same.
Tablet is most common and clear.
Take one tablet is perfect. Don't worry about the difference.
Second confusion is numbers and times.
Twice a day means 2 times daily.
3 times daily means 3 times.
Not 2 times in one day or 3 times in one day. The a day or daily is important.
Third confusion is with food timing.
Take with food means while eating.
Not before, not after, during the meal.
This helps the medicine work better.
And prevents stomach problems. Now let's hear a complete pharmacy conversation.
A customer needing headache medicine.
Excuse me, I have a headache.
Okay, here is some pain relief medicine.
Thank you. How many should I take?
Take 1 tablet. You can take it every 6 hours.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, take it with food or water.
How long can I take this medicine?
For 3 days only. If pain continues, see a doctor.
Thank you for your help. See? Complete conversation.
Simple questions, clear answers.
All using our 3 words. What, when, how.
Practical, safe, effective.
Now, let's make this super easy now.
When at the pharmacy,
Remember, www.
W for what medicine,
W for when to take.
W for how to take.
3 W's for pharmacy success.
Memory trick. Think www.website.
W for what.
W for when.
W for how. Sounds like W.
Easy to remember.
So simply
Ask your 3 W questions.
listen for the answers.
Your health is safe.
Now, your turn to practice.
First, imagine you need cough medicine. What is your first question to the pharmacist?
Second, the pharmacist says, take twice daily with food. What does this mean in simple words?
Write your answers in the comments below. We read every comment and reply to many.
Don't worry about being perfect, just practice.
Please like this video if it helped you.
Share with travelers or friends living abroad.
And subscribe for more practical English.
All right. Remember, medicine safety is important.
And clear communication keeps you safe.
Take care, and we'll see you next time.